name is Paul.
Everyone, I'm Constance.
But it's both easy and convenient. Step 1. So the packaging you want to
G'day, my name is Kiane. I've been part of the Chamberlain family since 2008. Today I will be showing you how to 3D paste your book. For this project you will need a stencil, a drop sheet, your book, your brush, masking tape, paint, your scraper, 3D paste, armor for a sealer, and a container of water. You're going to start off with painting your book. First, I'm going to take a piece of paper, just prevent the paint from going to the other pages. Take your paint and paint in one direction. We will leave it for 30 minutes and wait for the paint to dry before we do our second coat. Once the first coat has dried, we will start with the second coat. Leave the second coat to dry, and then we will start with the 3D paste. Once your second coat has dried, we will start with the 3D paste. Please stock 3 different 3D paste. Choco, that gives you a textured finish. Granny B and A-Shack both give you a smooth finish. Today I will be working with Granny B. You will secure your stencil. Once you have secured your stencil, you will start with the 3D paste. It will come out white if you use the product as is, or you can add a little bit of color to change it. And wash your stencil and scraper before the 3D paste dries. Once your 3D paste has dried, we will seal it with armor. You will only need one coat. You will leave it to dry for 10 minutes. And there you have it, your own personalized book. Thank you for watching. For more expert advice, visit any of our 9 Chamberlain stores, where a friendly expert is waiting to assist. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.